India harbors over 27,000 wild Asian elephants. As we know, the protected area network is quite extensive. However, individual parks are small. So the problem with protected areas in India, which means national parks and sanctuaries, is that they are not large enough. And the range of an elephant herd is almost always more than 2,000 square kilometers. Therefore, it is impossible to contain these large mammals inside one national park or sanctuary of India. To meet their energy needs, they will have to move. And that is also one of the main reasons why they come in contact with human beings. Of all the area that's under elephant reserve, only about one-fourth falls in protected area network. The remaining three-fourths are outside, which means anyways, these elephants are living outside protected areas of India. They are breeding there. They are coming in touch with human beings almost on a daily basis. In outside the protected areas, there is a mosaic of good quality forest and agriculture land. Elephants are herbivores, and therefore, if they see a good quality crop or sugarcane or banana plantation, they will get attracted to it, like iron filings to magnet. Obviously, because nearly 60 plus percent of Indians are farmers, and nearly 85% of those farmers are marginalized. When an elephant herd gets attracted to a crop field, a lot of destruction happens. And that has a direct impact on livelihoods of people. As a result, the tolerance of people has gradually gone down. In the last one decade at least, off and on we see gory scenes of hundreds of people crowding around elephant herds, throwing fire at them, throwing hand bombs at them, throwing stones, pelting stones at these animals. Elephants are extremely intelligent animals. While in the initial stages of interaction where people can drive away an elephant herd with these means, they understand, they learn, and therefore they get better at it, which means that over a period, an elephant or an elephant herd may get used to these kind of attacks that people have on them. As a result, they become fearless. And when that happens, there are high degree of skirmishes between humans and elephants. But if you look at the evolution of it, it is largely because of human beings. If we don't have large contiguous landscapes where this species can feel safe, they have to cover large areas. And because we are fragmenting and degrading our forests, we are not taking enough care of our natural capital. These animals are forced to come in contact with human beings. Human beings want to go and take selfies. People want to go and see elephants. When a big crowd gathers around a herd of elephant that is already stressed, there are chances that there would be a negative interaction, which means either a human property, which means a crop field or a house will get destroyed, or sometimes when people go extremely close to wild elephants that look seemingly innocuous, they may unknowingly threaten those animals. And in nature, attack is the best defense. And when there is no other option left, the elephant will go and chase the human away. Oftentimes, if people are able to run, elephants stop. But because these are off-road, which means there is no proper path, human beings stumble on a rock or because they are so scared and they fall off. And that's when there are some cases of trampling. As a result, approximately 500 people lose their life every year in India, and nearly 100 elephants are killed because of anthropogenic reasons, which means reasons which are other than natural reasons, either run down by railway, by a train, or poisoned, or burnt alive, or shot, or electrocuted. In fact, 60% of all elephant deaths is because of electrocution, which means human beings illegally tap overhead wires, sometimes 11 kV wires, and then those live wires are laid around crop fields or along the path of these elephants. And several such animals have got killed in seconds when they come in touch with this wire. So yes, human-wildlife conflict, human-elephant interactions and the resulting conflict is a big issue. And different stakeholders will have to come and join hands if the losses on both sides have to be reduced.